How to use PlayStation Tournament feature. To use the PlayStation Tournament feature, first of all, you must have an active PlayStation Plus membership. And also, you must be at least 16 years old. And certain games also require you to link your PlayStation Network identity to a publisher account. Now you simply have to find a tournament card. Navigate to the game hub of a supported multiplayer title. Then scroll down to the upcoming tournaments carousel. You can also press the PS button while playing to view the active cards in the control center. Now proceed to review the bracket details. Click on an upcoming card and select View All Details. From here, you can review the exact start time, game mode rules, match formats, and potential price structures as well. Now you simply have to click the Register button and then select the Accept to finalize your entry slot. Then proceed to join the match by tapping the Join Now option. You can also check your progress from that exact bar as well as claim the rewards. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.